Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to know how many pips you are measuring in TradingView in 2026 using the latest updated tools. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription at low cost, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only one day left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry up if you are interested. Now here on tradingview.com, click on this search icon here on the top. Now select the option of Forex and you just have to launch any of the Forex charts in front of you on which you want to basically measure the pips. Now once you have your chart available here in front of you, you just have to adjust it as per your own need. Now let's say you want to know how many pips is this candle. So in order to select it, simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of this measure tool. Now you just have to place the first position of this measure tool from where you want to start measuring this candle. For example, let's say I want to start measuring this candle from here. So simply just click on this, then drag and drop and click on the last point. Now as you can see, for gold it is showing 0.75% and it is showing you 30. So this candle basically give the move of 300 pips over here. Similarly, for any other euro or USD pair, you can use this short or the long tool or this measuring tool, and this way you will be able to measure the pips on your chart. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.